The best thing I ever decided to do was just be quiet. I have nothing to say. I'm not convincing anybody that I'm a great person. And I'm not trying to fix anything I didn't break. I'm not fighting for anyone to see my worth. Whatever you do is on you. You better hope you don't regret it. In my silence, I found peace. No longer bound by the need to prove myself or to mend what wasn't mine to fix, I discovered a new kind of strength. It's a quiet strength, born from knowing my value doesn't hinge on anyone else's recognition. I've let go of the exhausting pursuit of validation and embraced the serenity that comes with self-acceptance. I could finally see that my worth has always been there, independent of others' opinions. Those who see my value and respect it are welcome in my world. Those who don't can carry on their way, and if they come to regret their choices, that's their journey, not mine.
4 things you have to stop doing immediately. Most people ignore the last one, and I'm going to explain to you how the 4th one is stronger than you realize. 1. Stop regretting the past. What's done is done. You can't change what's already happened, but you can use the lessons to move forward. 2. Stop worrying about the future. Free yourself from worrying about the unknown future and trust in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. 3. Stop looking for your happiness in other people. True happiness comes from within, and when you find it, everything else falls into place. 4th, stop underestimating your inner strength. You're stronger than you think. Believe in your abilities and embrace your resilience.